Welcome 5th and 6th grade to note-taking part 1. Some advantages to using Cornell notes. They're very efficient. It's a method for mastering information, and the note-taking steps are sequential. Materials you'll need: basic loose-leaf notebook paper, pen or pencil. If you need to pause the video at this time, please do so to collect these items. Let's set up our note-taking page. First, count 5 lines from the bottom of your page. Draw a horizontal line. Next, count 1 line from the top of your heading page. Draw a horizontal line. Lastly, place your 3 fingers on the left-hand side near the red line. Draw a vertical line on the right-hand side of your page. Our heading will include our name and date, the topic, and your teacher will provide you with an essential question most of the time. Sometimes you may not have an essential question. Lastly, your summary will answer your essential question. Let's practice. Name and date, topic, Cornell note-taking. Essential question: how are taking Cornell notes different from how I have taken notes in the past? During the lecture, you will write in the right-hand section only. Your lecture has already begun, so I want you to make sure that you are keeping notes in the right-hand section. Why do we take Cornell notes? Cornell notes will help you work on assignments and study for tests outside of class. Cornell notes stimulate critical thinking skills, help organize and process information, and help you recall information. You will use your notes multiple times. During the lecture, while taking notes, you may want to paraphrase, skip lines between ideas, so your paper does not become too crowded. Abbreviate, use phrases, use bullets or lists. Recognize cues from your teacher, such as pauses or write this down. You may use an outline style. You might include diagrams, pictures, or graphs. After the lecture, on the left-hand side is where you will generate good study questions about the notes you took. You may want to write questions about things that you do not understand, that are not clear, or possibly gaps in your notes. Make sure that you phrase your questions clearly so that you're able to understand what your question is asking. At home tonight, I want you to complete the left-hand side of your Cornell note that you took in class today. In your notes, I'd like for you to highlight important information, cross out non-essential information, and star any information that might show up on a test or a quiz. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson.